so good. Sometimes also losses, but that one is common in the pigs, especially when they receive big visitors like these ones. They have passed through other people's farms. If it is a season of swine fever, they come and visit when they are happy like this. When they leave, I make losses. Like last year when the president visited, I lost 172 pigs. He left, the next 3 days they started dying. Little did I know, there was swine fever in those parts of Hoima Masin. So when people came, visited everywhere. When he left, they died. So those are the simple challenges which we have. Maybe also another challenge I get, the concentrate we use for poultry. We shop from Kampala and Hoima. We don't have manufacturers who manufacture near here. But we shall start also, we shall persuade them to come. So those are the few challenges which I get, but the benefits are very many compared to the challenges. One of the benefits, I'm also hosting big people, Right Honorable Speaker, to reach my home, the bishops, the sheikhs, and other people. I normally receive them. I feel proud also to add something to this nation, especially the religious leaders and the politicians. I don't take that one for granted. I feel good that also God has made me good. And the president also. Thank you very much.
No, it's exactly 4 p.m. And I say that 4 we shall be leaving. Hawakuba then tuganiro na Prime Minister. Twinehebe into bya service delivery mbyanga bitu nachi iki so mugambire nti twareka chance nabyo tubigane onke byamajani kwa president akama signinga. So nande na umazimanda mayibuzo birasa kwa biri byingi konka honero bya mukama tubasa kuja kumweta as interreligious council of ajata yaire nawe aboko atwamtayaire nawe ijarebe bitiyo turakora okwanda manya nga Father Chiza ikora mu murungi related to this samwena nabandi banyadini. So ntwenda kusima honorable number 1 okutwakiraje twagiye cyo kujya twahagandagira awe tukatine yo father wo mujungu Father Anoye kayijaga baheza kumuheza byo kujya birunja parishi yahaga jatumwe n'abantu bakigarama muri barungi ati mwampatire embuzi mwambagire bitoke narya nagire bicere nkamabondo. So muri nikwe twaba yes nikwe twaba akandi nkoko amini yagambire ko rije kigazi we shall revenge we shall revenge. Webare kwereka ihanga umushana webare kutwegesa chairman webare kujoka sibanite professor arinkahe professor webare RDC webare kandi webare kunyamba mitoma habo kuba umurimo gwasijokozere nanye ngo gutumenara abamana opposite gogoro hano bwayizire hati. So kandi munyanya webare munonga niwo murimo goriyo nokora kandi webare kutubera aba ambassador baru ito abanyakigeze hako byabire byayo kunu yabiya bikawamo niwe ndijaga kunu. So kandi ndabashaba ngo tugume twinejo micwe twataniseje na nabatwakirire abanyoro abatwakiriye bakatereza itaka hati tukaba party yabo haturi bamwe fact mu Uganda yo mu rubyo misho nuzashanga wagumira kugama undi yo munyoro ndiki because nushanga uko intermarriage eki you know. So mwebare kutwakira mwebare byona na ndashaba ngo tuzoma motoka gitu turi kambira for 30 minutes. Yeah, around 30 minutes turi kwikira ha famu ya Prime Minister konke kirungi hotel na famu bira. So kandi nho turarari nho tukuza kurara nabaherezayo umucara wanje umhara wanyu wabajeyo nitwe tukegera ari bya mukamana naki pineyo ka business kiturakora nitwe tuk manufacturing products za Wonders ya mwaziribire twine products nkabiri na munana kuruga aha majuta go kwesiga hati twine the best soap processing plant in Eastern Central Africa. Go tujye kujinstallinga kuruga Europe. Highroad fully automated, no? So itkora majuta gishoche, itkora ejihandu erahe mubana heyimwana munaba na net konkeji sanitizer mshime kwa mwajikoze ejeje ne iteje. So ya aha net sabuni himwe amura naba byamukama sabuni mutagaruka kute sabuni zebitore kunabeze bitore hatukuza kurya. So yabatebekanisiza yebirabo abako yagira ngo umurimo mukunji emwamwoherize ejine sabuni yitu is made out of black charcoal. Okay, so yabateyamuna medicated soap, yabateramu dishwashing liquid, yabateramu amajuta, amajuta yabateramu nanagabana baby jelly. Sorry Frank Tereze abachara yabateramu na living abachara bine yabateramu na sabuni baby soap na ka shampoo ana nabashije tokoze so shampoo ishoche ati tukabarumba timurarebuka rungi mwe abine economy nungi kavika for the Martazare. So garuza momuna so buri ne paka yeye kumurabe bigaruza mpaka nibaza kubahereza injiro mukasheshe listi bajini. Then ana president yagira ngo aramanya himuraraba hamwe haruka mhogo karunja amhanda nachi. So nawe hine akiyabahemba so muraza katunga kugira ngo amhanda aboko hati nyohi nabibanta bare na mbugane shahi inaze kiro. So ndabasa kutabona ndije time yo kuganiraho nimwe ecyo ndatekwa kwa hina abantu benda bugana between shahi katu inaze kiro Kampala. So yes, chaskanda asagaruka mbeni mu mukasheshe konkai masmith this group in Kampala etaka jenzire. So mbona kanshabetu zo mu mamotoka tugende ebindi byona biraza kwera hoteli ahita kuzakora
the closing prayer, a blessing.
Yes, rendo mugisha wenu rekanshabe Bishop Onesma atu sige atereza mugisha
kare katubanze tukusime Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa. Ubu wagira ngo ubundi ninka opportunity niyeji tomanya kusima munonga Bishop yakonanga niwe niko addressing okusima bwese kiwatukoleire okuhikiriza president yakushabire ngo kole kandi niwe otadelegating akobundo kaje oti nanye nabahereza okubatwara. So ningira abeshemwe katumusime honestly abwo bucurezi bwawe abwe bigambo byawe birungi ahabwa obwenje obwine kandi no kubagana neitwe kandi tusime Honorable Fred byamukama nawe okuturambuza famu kana katwegesa umucurezi bwinji kandi ebitwegire honestly mukama twere tubito munkora. So mwebale munonga and of course webale kutulisaje ibyo kuriya birungi kandi right honorable utsimire umukazi wawe Anita abo kutereza emishengeji kandi mwe bari kuba model partners model couple nojena nawe aha mikoro nitukureba kandi biti tukakuriraho ibintu byo kugira ngo noreba marari mukama simwe mbwenu katushabe mukama webale abo kutureta makaga webale abo abajenyi abatwakira kwasa honorable Fred inka member of parliament women member of parliament LC5 chairperson nabandi ababakwasa flag bearer RDC mukama ntukusimira ubufura bwabo kandi batwakira mu izina ryawe mwenu tusabashabira umugisha niko waturagire Yesu okagamo byandikirwe he who receives a prophet receives the prophet's reward. He who receives a righteous man receives the righteous man's reward. He who receives a messenger receives the one who has sent the messenger. Mwenu niwe turikujwekera abo turi abebembezi omubyo mwoyo nitubashabira omugisha ekeji ayi mukama emanzeji abo kwecureza kwe omuherezo mugisha mutungure abo kubayegarwira hansi kandi abo mwesigwa omubice omukoro mwesigwa ombihango nitushaba kugira ngo bitwayega tukwase kubito munkora ohereze president omugisha ohereze mukama right honorable Thomas Taibu omugisha ohereze honorable Fred omugisha na chairman Noashaba ati munshabira umugisha atwakira abantu baruhanga mukama nawe tumushabira umugisha nebyete ngo byabo byona mukama bihikirize kandi umushogwe gutwebembere ujeno mesho gate ne turikuza utatanisa mani gona go mwirima kandi umushogwe mu mukeji kandi no muri Kakumiro nka district okuruga hati no kwisebero byona amina katere ruhango mu ngaro zamani